Alright guys, what it do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to give you guys four stocks that you can start your dividend portfolio with. Two of those will be less than $20, and then the other two will be less than $40. And I'm going to show you these stocks. These are stocks that I personally hold in my portfolio. Stocks that are very, very good to have and can start to begin to grow your portfolio, so you too can have a dividend portfolio and start making passive income. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm going to give you guys four stocks, but before I do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you guys can continue to join me in my journey to reach my first 100K through my dividend portfolio and start to generate some passive income. Just hit that subscribe button so you guys can witness it and tag along. But without further ado, let's hop into this. All right, these four stocks I'm going to give you, like I said, I do hold these four in my portfolio. They're very good stocks to have, good dividend safety scores. So first we're going to hop into the two stocks that are less than $20. Now, the first stock is a monthly dividend stock that pays you out monthly. That means you receive a dividend every month. And it's, like I said, the first one that's less than $20 would be PBA. Yes, PBA is a very good stock to have. Their dividend safety scores around 80, and they do pay out monthly. And if I'm not mistaken, that monthly payout is 21 cents per one share. One share, 21 cents. Not bad for a stock that's less than $20. All you gotta do is try your best not to eat out and get two combos. No, just don't do it, and boom, you can already start to begin to see some passive income. Now, the reason I chose to give you guys a monthly dividend stock is because I know some people who are interested in it. They're curious about it. They want to do it because they want to start making some passive income. But some people, they like to see it and be able to really see the growth, like a monthly growth, because they're spending money. They're like, well, if I'm going to spend money, I want to start receiving money immediately. So I'm giving you guys a monthly dividend. So that way, as you spend money a month, you can start to see that money a month. But if you're one of the people who are okay with, investing in, and you're able to wait it out to get a payout, you can also invest your money into this stock. It's still less than $20, around $18. And that stock is EPD. This is a very good stock. Yet again, I myself hold this in my portfolio. Like I said, it's around $18, and for every one share, it pays out 45 cents. And they've been doing dividends for well over 30 years, and they do steadily increase their dividend payout. So as of right now, it's 45 cents. In about 5 to 10 years, we may be up to 50 cents. That's how it goes, guys. Like I said, and this is just $20 a week. You can put into your brokerage and start building your passive income. If it's 4 weeks in a month and it's just $20, boom, you just got 4 shares in 1 month. And it wasn't even a whole $20. You get you got some leftover, you got some change. But my thing is, you can do this. It all start with the first step and just being consistent. Now, next year, like I said, these next two shares, they're a little bit more pricier. And the same rules apply. I'm going to give you guys a monthly one, and I'm going to give you guys one that pays out quarterly. But yet again, I too own both of these stocks in my portfolio. Now, the first one that pays out monthly would be SPHD. That is an ETF stock. It does pay you out monthly, about 14 cents per share. Now, it's an ETF, and ETF pretty much means it's one share, but in that one share, that share holds shares of various companies. So that one share holds for many companies, but it's still one. And ETF normally naturally perform very well. You want ETFs. Anybody who's telling you to get into investment, you're gonna say, so what's that about? They're gonna divert you right to ETFs. So this is amazing stock to have. It doesn't pay out monthly 14 cents. It's gonna be around $30 to $35 per share. But like I said, you will receive 14 cents per one share you have. The next stock you have, there's a very, very good stock to have. Pretty much everybody has this stock in their portfolio. It's extremely great stock, but it does pay out quarterly, would be AT&T. AT&T is an amazing company. They're going to be around for many, many years, and I think it's around $29 right now, maybe $30 as a share currently, but yet again, it's just $30. And that share pays out 55 cents per one share. Like I said, I own AT&T, I own SPHD, I own EPD, and I own BPA. I own all these shares in my portfolio, and you too can own them and start to build your own portfolio. I gave you two that pay out monthly, and I gave you two that pay out quarterly. Now there are stocks that get a lot higher, and of course some of those stocks pay out higher. Some of those stocks they pay less, but they're growing because some companies they just haven't started giving out dividends. And some companies, they've been around for a while and they just started to do dividends, so it's a growing process. But these four I gave you are very, very lucrative stocks to have in your portfolio, and you can easily purchase just one of these shares with your paycheck. You get 2 paychecks a month, you get paid bi-weekly. There's 2 stocks a month. You get paid weekly. Hey, if you can afford to dish out $20 a week, that's 4. If you can't, yet again, you can still purchase just those 2. But either way, these are very affordable stocks, very reliable stocks that you can easily purchase starting today. All you got to do is choose a brokerage and begin. Like I said, if you don't know which brokerage to choose, you have a plethora of options. You have Robinhood, which I have. I will leave my link down in the description. If you use my link and create your account, me and you both will receive a free stock. And what you can do with your free stock, it may not be a stock that you want, but with that stock, you just gotta hold it for about 3 to 4 days, and then you can sell it and purchase a stock of your choice. So like I said, that's Robinhood. I will leave that link in the description. Next, you got Webull, and Webull has a promotion going on now. So this is, this may be one that you can look into. Webull has a promotion where when you deposit your first $100, you get 2 free stocks. And one of those stocks could be valued up to $1,400. $1,400. You can easily get that stock, sell it off, and reinvest that money into any of these 4 stocks I just gave you, and be well on your way to having a portfolio that can create you passive income. And the last brokerage you can use is the one that I mainly use, which is M1 Finance. They don't have any promotions or anything going around. They don't really offer free stocks, but this is the one I use. I like it a lot. And it's very simple to use and user friendly. So is Robinhood. I got to give you that. Robinhood is extremely user friendly. I can't say the same about Webull. Webull can actually confuse you if you don't know what you're doing, or it's just a lot of graphs and numbers. But like I said, you can always use Webull to get that promotion, to get those free shares, and you can still start your actual brokerage with another one. But these are 3 brokerages that you can easily get into. All of them are completely free, don't cost you anything, and you can start investing today. So like I said, these are 4 stocks that you guys can use to start investing, to create your own personal portfolio. If you have any questions, like I said, you can leave me the comment down there, and I'm most definitely answer them. If you're a little shy, my Instagram is in the description. You can send me a direct message. I'll most definitely get back at you. But just do it. Nike. I'm not sponsored by Nike, but that'd be dope. But like I said, just look into it. Like I said, I I leave a link in the description to dividends.com, where you can look up each one of those stocks I gave you. I do individual links for each one, so you can just click on it and see their payout history, how much they cost, how long they've been doing dividends, and you can use their website for reference to look up other stocks. That link will be in the description. But do not forget to like this video. Most definitely hit that subscribe button, and I should be dropping another video this week. But it's your boy Exia, and I'm out.